Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rakha Wibowo. I'm from class Informatics 48-INT, and now I will be explaining about database modeling. I have created the PowerPoint so I can explain it more easily. I hope you enjoy. So the first is what is the basic concept of database? First, from what I learned from the explanation in class is data, information, and knowledge have a different definition. Data is raw fact that don't have any form of explanation. For example, a fish. Information, on the other hand, is a process data that's understandable. For example, Hafiz is a student. Next one is knowledge, is the information that we absorb and understand from the data itself. For example, we now know that Hafiz is a student. The next one is metadata. As I have shown the example here, metadata is data that provides information about other data. It describes various aspects of the data, such as its content, format, structure, origin, and context, making it easier to locate, understand, manage, and use. For example, the student name is count as a string, the student ID count as a string, and the gender count as a character. Next one is the disadvantages of relational file processing. The first one is program data dependence. The structure of data files is embedded within the application programs. The second one is duplication of data. The same data may be stored in multiple files, leading to inefficiencies and potential inconsistencies. The third one is limited data sharing. Data is typically isolated within specific programs, making it difficult for multiple users or applications to access and share data. The fourth one is lengthy development times. Developing applications in a file processing environment can be time consuming. The fifth one is excessive program maintenance. Due to the program data dependence and data duplication, maintaining file processing systems can be annoying. The next one is the advantages of the database approach. The first one is program data independence, and then plan data redundancy, improve data consistency, improve data sharing, enforcement of standards, improve data quality, increase productivity of application development, improve data accessibility and responsiveness, reduce program maintenance, and the last one is improve decision support. Now, what about the risk of database approach? The first one is new specialized personnel. You may need to hire or train people who know how to handle databases, which can be a bit of a hassle and an extra cost. Second one is installation and management cost and complexity. Setting up a database isn't cheap or easy. It involves buying the right tools, setting them up, and keeping everything running smoothly. The third one is conversion cost. Switching from your old system to a new database can be a big job. You'll need to move all your data over, which takes time and money. The fourth one is need for explicit backup and recovery. You have to be really careful about backing up your data and having a plan in case something goes wrong. It's extra work, but super important. The fifth one is organizational conflict. When you centralize data, people might argue over who gets to control or access it. It can create some office drama. The next one is the database lifecycle. The first one is planning. Uh, to explain it, it's like uh, what's the kind of database that is suitable for the company that you're working for or the organization you're working with. It is really important to know what they want, and we need to plan perfectly about that. The second one is analysis. We have to analyze what does the company needs and what does the organizational needs be like. The third one is the design. We must design the structured data perfectly, uh, suitable for the company's requirements and organizational needs. The fourth one is implementation. We need to make the database itself and create it as good as possible. The fifth one is maintenance. In case of any problem in the dataset or the database, we have to know how easy it is to maintenance, and we have to hand, we have to be able to maintenance the problem itself from the database. Okay, I think that's it for my presentation today. I hope this is helpful and informative. Thank you so much, everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.